Auratraq introducing the newest AI dashcam. If the vehicle ahead slows down suddenly, the system alerts the driver in time, helping prevent front-end collisions. When the car drifts out of the lane without indication, a warning is triggered to bring the driver's attention back. The camera detects pedestrians near the vehicle's path and gives an early alert, especially useful in city traffic. When the vehicle crosses the speed limit, the system instantly warns the driver to slow down. Driver monitoring system features: distraction alert, seatbelt detection, phone usage detection, smoking detection. For companies, there are optional features like GPS tracking, where they can monitor the vehicle and the drivers online, along with video live streaming in their computer,